Hi, today we are going to review this predominantly maroon color Sri Lankan 20 rupee currency issued by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka, also known as CBSL in short. This 2010 issued currency series depicts the development and the prosperity of Sri Lanka in various fields. Along with it, shows the Sri Lankan dance forms. The dimension of this note is 128 to 67 mm. The currency has three different languages written on them: the Sinhala, the Tamil and the English. Horizontally on the obverse in the center is the image of a port of Colombo as seen now and in the history. This port is the largest and the most important port in Sri Lanka. This port was built in the 14th century during the Kotte Kingdom and was known as the port of Kollam Tota. This port is at present administered by the Sri Lankan Port Authority. The image on the right is of Sri Lankan Serendip scup owl, found mostly in the low country west zone of Sri Lanka. The owl is categorized as the endangered species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to its habitat loss and degradation. A little above we can see the national symbol, the lion holding a sword in its right forepaw, which represents the Sinhalese people and the first king. The butterfly in this currency that appears on the lower left corner is the boronet. Vertically on the reverse there is an image of a traditional West Netumua dancer dancing to the tune of the Geta Burna drummer next to him. And behind them we can see a big map of Sri Lanka. The Pun Kalasa or the pot of plenty, which is a symbol of prosperity, is on the top right of the note. A Liya Vela or the stylized floral motif appears on the right side of this currency. Let's move to the security feature of this currency. As we can see, this currency gets into life under the ultraviolet light. We can see the most common factor of this currency, the UV strips that get illuminated all along the currency as they are embedded into the banknote. Also we can see an illuminated 20 getting highlighted above the image of Port of Colombo, and the color of the serial numbers getting changed whenever we move the light. The watermark. Each currency note depicts a different bird as a watermark, which is the same bird portrayed in the note. In addition, the value in numerals appears vertically as a highlighted watermark. The watermark of this currency is the Sri Lankan Serendip scup owl. The security thread, which is made of polyester, has 20 rupees along with CBSL written in it. Cornerstone watermark appears in the form of diagonal bars at each corner of every currency note. The see-through window. When the note is held up to the light, the numerals value of each note on the front, that is near the butterfly, comes together in perfect register with the reverse on the back side of the note. Extra small text. When viewed closely below the butterfly, an area of text reading CBSL and the numeral value can be seen in all note. A vertical order of a heavily printed only one dot for 20 note progressing according to the denomination appears on the left side of the note to help the visually impaired to recognize the denomination. A raised printed area with greater tactility is noticed in several places on the notes. On the front of the note, the bank title, the central image and the value at the bottom edge of the note. And on the back side of the note, the values at the bottom in numeral can be seen and felt as raised printed area. Please feel free to leave your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Simon, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.